Hello students, my next topic is development of surfaces. What is development of surfaces? Definition: the complete surface of an object laid out on a plane is called the development of the surface or flat pattern of the object. What is the exact meaning of the development? Suppose, for example, assume object hollow and made up of thin sheet. Cut it and open it from one side and unfold the sheet completely. Then the shape of that unfolded sheet is called development of lateral surface of that object or solid. Right? What is lateral surface? Lateral surface is the surface excluding solids top and base. Right? What is engineering application of development surfaces? Right? There are so many products or objects which are difficult to manufacture by conventional manufacturing processes because of their shapes and sizes. Those are fabricated in sheet metal industry by using development technique. There are a vast range of such objects. Okay. The development of geometrical surfaces is important in fabrication of not only small simple shapes made of thin sheet metal but also sophisticated pieces of hardware such as space capsules. What are the examples of this development of surfaces? Boiler shells, chimneys, pressure vessels, shovels, trays, boxes and cartons, feeding hoppers, large pipe sections, body parts of automotives, ships, aeroplanes and etc. Right? What is objective of this topic? To learn methods of development of surfaces of different solids, their sections and frustums. Right? What are the methods in the development of surfaces? Right? First one is parallel line development. Right? Parallel line development method is without sectioning. Right? You have already know the sections of solids topic. Right? So the interlinked topic of sections of solids, this development of surfaces. Right? So this method is without sectioning. Right? Without sectioning we are doing the development of surfaces. For example, you have take matchbox for example. Right? Matchbox having rectangular prism. Right? So this rectangular prism having top and bottom base squares and four sides of rectangular sides. Right? So the diagram is like this. Right? The diagram is like this. Right? Okay. What is the question? A square prism of side of base 40 and axis 80 long is resting on its base on HP such that a rectangular face of it is parallel to VP. Draw the development of the prism. Right? Square prism side is base 40 and axis 80. It is resting on HP. Right? Square prism is base is resting on HP and rectangular face is parallel to VP. Right? First draw a reference line, XY line. Right? Draw a reference line. First draw the front and top view of the square prism. Right? Square prism side 40 mm and axis height is 80 mm. Right? Draw the square ABCD with the side of 40 mm, that is ABCD. Right? And project from two sides to front view. Right? So A comma D and B comma C. Right? And draw a baseline and draw the axis 80 mm and complete the rectangle. Right? Notations are A prime, D prime, comma B prime, C prime, and top side, top base A1 prime, comma D1 prime, B1 prime, comma C1 prime. This is the front and top view of the square prism. right? So then to develop the square prism, right? Uh, then draw a development continuous line. Line length is pi d, right? Sorry. This line length is 160. How can we get the 160 length? Plane side. Okay, number of sides of the plane, into side of the plane, side of the plane is equal to 160. Number of sides of the plane is square, so we have 4 sides of the plane. 4 into side of the base side of the plane, that is 40. So 4 into 40 equal to 160. So then we get a line length of 160, right? Then draw a 160 mm line on a reference line, right? Leave some space to the front view and top view. Then draw a 160 mm line and divide the 4 parts, right? Because of the square having 4 sides, so divide the 4 parts of the 160 mm line, that is A, B, C, D, and height, axis height, right? And complete the total rectangle, right? That is A, B, C, D points, and draw a equal sides of the line. Next, top point, bottom base, right? Top point, bottom squares we have drawn in this diagram, right? Next, with sectioning. Next method is with sectioning. With sectioning cylinder diagram, right? What is the problem? A cylinder of base diameter of base 40 mm and axis 50 mm long is resting on its base on HP. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degrees to HP. The section plane is passing through the top end and extreme generator of the cylinder. Draw the development of the lateral surfaces of the cut prism.